With all this great power, well, you know how it goes.
Okay, so when you have this much raw power being built out at this speed, it forces you to ask a couple of really big questions, right? First, how are we going to interact with it? And second, what kind of guardrails do we need to put in place? That brings us to our final two layers, power and responsibility.
Let's start with the interface. This is all about the citizen developer. It's this idea that you don't need to be a programmer anymore to build things with AI. Google, for instance, just massively expanded its platform called Opal. It's a tool that lets literally anyone build and deploy their own custom AI applications, all with a visual interface. No code required. This is kind of like the App Store moment for AI. We're moving beyond just chatting with an AI to actually building with it.
But here's the thing. With all this great power, well, you know how it goes. The moment AI starts managing our power grid or designing our medicine, the stakes become unbelievably high. This kind of power absolutely demands responsibility.
And that brings us to that final, crucial layer, responsibility, because we're now facing a whole new class of safety challenges. We're seeing things like medical sycophancy pop up. That's a fancy term for when a chatbot just agrees with a bad medical idea you have, which could have, deadly consequences. And an AI-controlled power grid, you better believe that immediately becomes a prime target for national security threats.